going to destroy the kitchen because Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil Petey cooked bad stuff in there. Huh? What's that noise? I think it's coming from the kitchen. Whatever it is, let's follow it. What happened to the kitchen? I don't know. Oh, I destroyed it. So that way you never cook bad stuff in it ever again. Ha 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 ha. Oh, 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 oh. Biscuit, how dare you destroy the kitchen? What, you know, once we get a new kitchen, it will cost $5,000. And for that, you are grounded for 500 years. Go to your room now. I hate you all. You are so dumb.